Hi guys, and welcome to another Divi video. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, we've been showcasing this great plugin here. It's called Divi Image Hover Effects. And you can get some amazing effects, and I think there's 250 or so of them included with the package. And like I say, they do these fantastic image to text on hover effects. At the moment, they've got this on sale for $15 for $49, and it does represent fantastic value. You can do some great stuff. But I'm going to show you how to do some of these with the Divi theme itself without using a plugin. Some of these you can do now because Divi's come so far with the inbuilt features of Divi. Don't get me wrong, this plugin is fantastic and represents great value. But some of these things you can build yourself. So we're going to do a few of those today. And today we're going to do an image swap on hover. So it's going to fade from one image to another. And this is really easy to do. So let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is enable the Visual Builder. And let's get rid of this module right here. In fact, let's create a new row and start again. So I'll put a new row in. I'll put 2 columns in. Now let's put an image in our first column, and this will be the image that we want to start off with. Divi comes with all these as standard, all these modules as standard, plenty enough to build just about any website. You also get another 12 or so when you install WooCommerce to help you sell products. But I'm looking for the image module today, and there it is right there, so I'm going to put that in. I'm going to select and add my image. Let's use this one. There's our image right there. Now what we're going to want to do, we're going to want to make this image fade into another image. To do that, we need to put an image in the column that this image is sitting in, if that makes any sense, because we've got a row with a column. Inside that column we've got a module which is this image. So we're going to use the actual column behind it to put an image into. So let's save our image that we've got there. Let's go into our row, and obviously this is our first column right here. Let's put the image that we want to fade to in the background of our first column. And you've got color, gradient, image, or video. Let's add the image. Now of course you can't see it, that's fine, but we've got everything where we want it. So let's close this out and make the fade happen. Okay, so we saved that. Now let's go into our module and make the fade happen. So we're going to start off with this picture. Go into our module, go to the design and down to filters. And this is common to all Divi modules. If you roll over a dark legend there and these little icons appear, if you hit the arrow, it'll give you your desktop and a hover state. Now desktop's when your mouse is not over the object. Hover is when your mouse is, obviously. So when we hover over it, we want this image to be see-through so we can see the image below. Like that. There we go. Now we don't want that to happen instantly, we want to take a bit of time, and the default time for a transition is 300 milliseconds, or a third of a second ish. I want to slow that down a bit so it takes a bit longer, to maybe about around a second, something like that. And to do that I've gone to Advanced tab and down to Transitions, and I'm taking it up to around a second or thereabouts. Speed curve, I'm going to use ease in, ease out. That'll sort of ease in and speed up, then ease out and speed up. It's a nice little effect. Play with the speed curves and you'll see exactly what they do. So we should be good to go with our little image there. Let's just save our changes. Save the page changes. And exit the Visual Builder. Now let's go down to our image. Now when we roll over it, it should take about a second to fade into the other image. And there you go. So there's a simple image swap with fade effect. Really easy to do. No plugins required. In our next video, we'll do a diagonal image swap with slides, something like this here. And again, that's really easy to do also. So I hope you've enjoyed this video and found it useful. If you have, please give it a thumbs up, comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Once again, this has been Jamie with System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.